What's good, YouTube? It's Braden Hustles, and today I'm going to be showing you how you can make money with your SUV and trailer. All right, let's get into it. Before we get into it, y'all don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe on the video. I really appreciate it. Road to 100 subs. Let's go. All right, guys. So today I got a job subcontracted to me from my brother. I'm going to put his channel down in the description below. Y'all go check it out. Show him some love. But today we have 2 couches, a cat tower, kids toy, and a mattress. Boom, 5 items. I'm gonna show you guys the process. Let's get into it. All right, guys, so this is the job. It's just 2 couches, a mattress, and a cat thing. Let's go ahead and get started. All right, guys, so a couple tips for my true hustlers out there. Tip number 1, use what you have until you can get the equipment you need. Alright guys, so before I started, all I had was an SUV. I didn't have a trailer, I didn't have a pickup truck, so I had to go rent a trailer from U-Haul and use that trailer until I had enough money to put down something on the trailer that I got now. So it's possible. You don't need something to get started, just get started. Alright, tip number 2, gain knowledge on the services you offer. So it doesn't look good to come up to a customer and not know what you're talking about. That's very embarrassing, and no one wants to go out like that. Also, when you know what you're talking about and you have knowledge behind the service you offer, it boosts your confidence and you won't be shy or scared about completing the job. And lastly, tip number 3, be professional. Look like you do this and know what you're talking about. It makes the customer feel like they're in good hands and can trust you to do the job right. All right, you guys, you see, that's where all the trash was. Got it onto the trailer in about a half a load. Took about 7 minutes. All right, guys. So just like that, I got the job done. I feel like if I can do it with an SUV and a trailer, then why can't somebody do it with a pickup truck? Or why can't somebody do it with their SUV and trailer? And if I'm out here doing it, you can do it too. You guys, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe on the video. I really appreciate it. Let's go. And for the guys that were confused, didn't really know what path they wanted to take, didn't know if they wanted to go to college, don't really like working a job, it's other options out here, guys. I'm telling you, just get out here, do a little research. I'm showing you, hello, SUV trailer, you can make money. You can get on apps, you can make money. You could get subcontracted jobs from other contractors, make money. You could word of mouth, make money. Go buy equipment. Once you go buy equipment, you are equipped to do the job, to make money with your equipment. Just comment below if you have any questions. I'd be more than happy to help.
If this shit don't work out soon, I might just get a job at Mavis. Change them tires, break some cables for a penny in my time. But inside I know that's crazy. To be real, that's kinda lazy. I could build my own shit up and run it daily. That's the mindset of a hustler. You won't get that as a baby. Gotta get up and go get it. I'ma preach that till I'm 80.